Hello, in front of me I've got MIO MiVue 732 dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with smartphone. Firstly, let's go to menu. Now select Wi-Fi, and now on your smartphone go to Wi-Fi settings. Select your camera, enter password, and now enter MiVue Pro app. Tap Start, allow, use this folder, allow, and now add dashcam. Select your camera, select Wi-Fi, tap done, and it's set. Thanks to the app, we've got access to live view, settings, SD card, memory, normal, event, pro, photo and parking, and info. Also we can download recordings and photos, check parking info, and check storage location, update, help, and about. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.